Alright guys, we've got a 2007 Big Dog Mastiff chopper motorcycle. This bike, believe it or not, has 34 original miles on it. This bike was acquired from a dealer repossession sale where the bikes were never sold and sat in storage until things got figured out through the business, so on and so forth. So this bike is brand new, has never been titled before by a private owner. This bike is equipped with the 117 cubic inch 1916 cc S&S motor. It is also equipped with the 6-speed Baker transmission. The bike is a metallic black cherry paint. The frame is also that color as well. The bike does have a few adds. You've got your aftermarket windshield, which I believe is removable. Definitely a nice option to have when you go out on the open road. You've also got your rear sissy bar with the rear storage rack, so you can actually put like a Big Dog bag on there and strap it on without it laying on your fender and scratching it up. You do have rear passenger pegs, so you're able to add a 2-up seat or a rear pillion pad and carry a passenger. The bike does have a Super Trap exhaust on it as well. The bike's in phenomenal condition. Obviously, it hasn't had much use, but it does have a few minor scuffs just from the bike being moved around, but nothing too serious at all. Obviously, the tires are brand new as well. I just had the carburetor rebuilt just because it was all gummed up from sitting so long. But the bike does run like a champ now. And why don't we go ahead and start it up for you. So that gives you an idea of how the bike runs. Do a little bit more of a close-up shot of the whole bike as well. You've got the 300 gigantic rear tire on it, mounted on an 18-inch rim. So there you have it. If you do have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or give me a call. I'd love to answer any questions or address any concerns. Do appreciate your time and look forward to possibly working with you. Thank you so much.